Good morning, students. So, what did we study in the last class? We said about trapezium, right? So, what's a trapezium? A trapezium is a quadrilateral where the opposite sides are parallel and the sides that are not parallel, the angles between them will be what? It will be 180 degrees. Okay. So, what is a trapezium? And this is a trapezium A, B, C, D. The side AB will be parallel to DC and the angles between these non-parallel sides. Okay? The sum of these angles, that is angle A plus angle D and angle B plus angle C will be what? It will be 180 degree. This was what we dealt with in the last class. And in today's class, we shall deal with a trapezium itself, but it's a different variety of trapezium. Okay. Consider this trapezium. Okay. Here, the difference is that the side, opposite sides will be parallel, but these non-parallel sides, right? This will be equal measures. So, such a trapezium is called what? Such a trapezium is called isosceles trapezium. So, in today's class, we will be dealing with isosceles trapezium. So, we shall study about isosceles trapezium. In the first class, we did discuss about the properties of an isosceles trapezium. So, in today's class, we will be dealing just with the construction of an isosceles trapezium. An isosceles trapezium is formed using two polygons. We shall first see which are those polygons. Okay. So here we have two polygons. One is a triangle and the other is what? It is a parallelogram. Okay. Now what happens if we join these two polygons? Let's see what will happen. Okay. I am going to join these two polygons. So an isosceles trapezium is formed by what? By two polygons. One is a parallelogram and other is an isosceles triangle. Okay. Using these two polygons, we shall construct a isosceles trapezium. Now we shall see the first method of to construct an isosceles trapezium, where you will be given the measures of two adjacent sides and also the angle between the two adjacent sides. So what is the first method? In the first method, you will be given what? You will be given the measures of two adjacent sides of an isosceles trapezium, also the angle between those two adjacent sides. So let's see how we can construct it. So in the activity card, what was the question that was given to you? If the measurement of two adjacent sides are given as 6 cm, 3 cm and the angle of measures between them as 50 degrees, then can you draw an isosceles trapezium? So this was the question.
Students, since the camera was not properly
right?
here, it is not clear what I have written on the left side. We just have to do this much away. The two polygons, that is the isosceles trapezium and the parallelogram, you just have to join it together and erase off the middle line, then you will get the isosceles trapezium.
So first we shall draw the base of it. 50 degrees. Okay. So now we shall take 50 degrees on both sides of this line. Now we know that this side is what is of 3 centimeter. So we shall take 3 centimeters on this side. Okay. This is 3 centimeters and this side will be as 50 degree. Here also it will be 3 centimeters because we are drawing an isosceles trapezium. Now what you have to do, you just have to join these two lines.
Students, since the camera is not properly held, it was not clear what I have written on the board.
6 centimeters.
You have to do this much only. You have to join the two polygons that was given, that is the isosceles trapezium and the parallelogram, and have to raise the middle line.
Understood? Now I can give you another activity.
We did see the steps to construct an isosceles trapezium, right? So, based on what we studied, we shall arrange these cards in the order of constructing an isosceles trapezium. So, let us identify which card comes first. In constructing an isosceles trapezium, when the measures of two adjacent sides and the angle measure between them are given, what will we do first? Yes, we will be drawing the base side first. So, this card will be coming first. Now, which is the second card that will be coming? Yes, either the one at the center or the one at the right bottom will come at the second place. So now I shall keep the center one. Now which card will be coming third? Yes, the right bottom one. Now which card will be coming at the fourth position? Yes, it is clearly visible that here in this figure it is a completed figure, right? So only this figure will be coming. That is, first we should be drawing a base, then we will be marking the angle or this angle we shall be marking. Now after that one constructing an angle at one of the end, we will be constructing another angle also on the other end. I will be getting a shape like this, and finally we will be joining the top end points. So we will be getting a figure like this. So these are the steps for constructing an isosceles trapezium. Now we shall see the next method for constructing an isosceles trapezium, where the measurements of four sides are given.
Now we shall see how we can construct an isosceles trapezium when you are given the measures of four sides of the isosceles trapezium. Okay. The angle measure is not given, only the measure of the four sides are given to you. So this is 7 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 2 centimeter and 4 centimeter. Okay. Now how will we construct this isosceles trapezium? We know that an isosceles trapezium can be formed by using two polygons, right? An isosceles triangle and also a parallelogram. And if we erase these lines, we get what? Isosceles trapezium, right? Now using this method, we will be constructing this isosceles trapezium. So for that, first we shall draw this baseline. It is given as 7 centimeters. Now we know that this side is 4 centimeters. Okay. If this side is 4 centimeters, and if I draw a line like this, if I draw a line like this will be what? It also will be of 4 centimeters. Okay. Now, if this is 2 centimeters, this will also be what? It also will be 2 centimeters, and this will be 5 centimeters. This one should be 5 centimeters, and this is 2 centimeters. In total, we have it as 7 centimeters. Now, I shall take 5 centimeters from here. Okay, this measures 5 centimeters. Now we know that these both sides are 4 centimeters. Now taking 4 centimeters on the compass, I shall mark 2 arcs. Now this will be what? 4 centimeters, and this will also be a 4 centimeters. Okay. Now what? Here it is given as 2 centimeters, and this side is 4 centimeters. Again making an arc of 4 centimeters from here. And 2 centimeters. Now we shall join this. Now this is the isosceles trapezium. This is 2 centimeter. This will be 2 centimeter. Here the sides are of 4 centimeter each. And now we shall erase this line. Okay? So now we will get what? We will get an isosceles trapezium that was given or shown to you in the activity card. Okay? So these are the 2 methods of constructing an isosceles trapezium. In the first method, what did we did? What was given to us? We were given the measures of 2 adjacent sides and the angle between them. For that, what we did first is that we did draw the baseline first and then took the angle measure between the 2 adjacent sides 50 degrees on both ends of the line. Then we will make a 3 centimeter arc on both the lines, or take a measure of 3 centimeters using the scale and join the points. Okay, that was how the first method was about. Now in the second method, you are not given the angle of measure, only the 4 only the measures of the four sides were given to you. So first we did draw a base. The bases were given to us 7 centimeter. And now what we did was we did divide the isosceles trapezium into two polygons, that is the isosceles triangle and a parallelogram. Here it is given as the top side is of 2 centimeter. So now when we divide the base side, this much should be of 2 centimeter and rest should be of 5 centimeter. So we took 5 centimeter over here. Now the sides are of 4 centimeter. So we make a 4 centimeter arc on both the ends of the 5 centimeter line. And we did join this. Now we did what? We know that the upper side is of 2 centimeter and the side is 4 centimeter. So we need an arc of 4 centimeter, 2 centimeter, and it did intersect at a point. So we did join all these points and we got what? We got an isosceles trapezium. So these are the two methods of constructing an isosceles trapezium. Okay, now I should give any homework. Okay, this figure is made of isosceles trapeziums. Okay, there are different isosceles trapezium. These are all of same measure. Here it is given as upper side is 2 centimeter, lower side is 5 centimeter. Similarly, here also it will be 2 centimeter and 5 centimeter. Here also it is 2 centimeter and 5 centimeter. You have to construct an isosceles trapezium like this.
In order to construct such a figure, first you will have to draw an equilateral triangle with sides 5 cm. We know that the angles of an equilateral triangle will be 60 degrees. Now take the angle bisector of these angles, that is, it will be of 30 degrees. Now draw a line through this 30 degrees. Now mark a point P on the side AB, which is taken as the base of the triangle. The point P should be at a distance of 3 cm from the vertex A. Now take an angle of measure 150 degrees to the right side of this point P and make a dotted line through this angle measure, that is 150 degrees. Now the line that is drawn from angle A, that is through 30 degrees, and the dotted line that is drawn from the point P meets at the point. Mark this point as D. Now draw a line DE that is parallel to AB, which is of 2 cm. Now draw an equilateral triangle taking DE as the base of sides 2 cm. Then erase off the unwanted lines. Then you will get a figure that is given in the activity.
So hope you understood this class. Thank you and see you in the next